Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 3.5 points. Right now, they're sitting at 23.96 and a quarter per contract. So all in all, futures are up a little bit from yesterday's close, and we'll see how this market plays out today. We did have a terrorist attack last night in Manchester, England, so we'll see how that affects the markets. But we're always going to look at what we call stocks in the news to make our money today. So first stock we're going to look at is going to be Agilent Technologies, and what you're going to see here, Agilent closed at 56.08 yesterday. It is trading at 58.50 right now after earnings. So stock making a pretty good move. This is a new all-time high, I believe. When I look at this name, though, I have to think $60 should be some kind of resistance up there. Either way, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone now. We'll look for pattern once the opening bell rings. Next stock we're going to take a look at here is going to be Toll Brothers. Ticker symbol here is TOL, and this is a home builder. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting a nice little pop. After earnings closed at $38.03, it is now trading at $39.02. To be honest, I don't see a lot of upside here in Toll Brothers. In fact, if you go back and you look at, say, even a monthly chart right now, what you're going to notice is you should come up to a ton of resistance around the $40 to $41 level, maybe even all the way up to 42 with the high pivot here. But again, you get to this area, there's a lot of resistance. Already the stock has had a great run, a little bit overbought. So again, I wouldn't expect too much out of Toll Brothers. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Another stock we're going to take a look at here today is going to be Take-Two Interactive. TTWO is the ticker symbol there. Right now, the stock is trading at $70.10. It closed at $69.04. Good, solid pop here for Take-Two. But this is another equity that has just gone straight up in a straight line. Look at this monthly chart here. So this is what we call a parabolic move. Sensational move for the stock. But the reality of it is it's on borrowed time. And again, you don't want to chase equities that are up this high. It's just not part of the methodology. Next up, we're going to take a look here at DSW. Discount shoe-wear, I believe, and you're going to see the stock trading at $18.10, closed at $17.95. So nice little pop there. There should be some resistance, if I'm correct, right around the 1955, 1960 level. So again, good pop there. I don't know if it's going to go a whole lot higher, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. We also want to take a look at these auto part makers. AutoZone was the big one here. They reported earnings. Stock is getting clobbered. Closed at $659.49. It is now trading at $606. The only level that interests me for AutoZone is going to be $575. We get down to $575. I think it's worth a shot on the long side. Please understand this is a very thin equity, and what I mean by very thin is if you take a look at the daily chart, you'll notice it rarely, if ever, trades above 1 million shares a day. Those stocks have tendencies to go lower than most people think, and they could even breach support levels when you find them. So today I did a little bit of math ahead of the opening here, and I saw that the $575 level should be very, very good support, but please understand the level can overshoot. In sympathy to AutoZone, you're also going to have O'Reilly Automotive, ORLY is the ticker symbol there. They're down pretty decently today. Closed at $248.46. This is now trading at $237. I do see a little bit of support around $233. Other than that, you have to look lower. And this is another light volume stock generally, so be a little bit careful there. And then we have Advanced Auto Parts, ticker symbol AAP. Right now, this is getting hit a bit. Closed at $147.37. Now trading at $138.25. So this is a pretty good haircut. Stock does have some support around the 137 area. I will find other levels for Advanced Auto Parts should we need them once the opening bell rings today. So these auto part makers under pressure after the earnings came out with AutoZone, and we'll see how it plays out. Next up, I want to take a look at Tata Motors, TTM. We'll stick with the auto theme. Right now, Tata Motors getting a nice little bounce here. Up 35, trading at 35.77. This is up from the close yesterday, which was 34.90. So nice little pop there. Again, a lot of resistance around 36 for Tata Motors on the daily chart. So do not look for a lot of upside here. Next up, we're going to take a look at Xilinx XLNX is the ticker symbol there. It looks like they were downgraded. Stock closed at $67.52, now trading at $64.75. I actually agree with the downgrade simply because this is just an overbought stock. If you're looking for a trade here, I don't really see anything till you get down to around $63.25. Should be some support right in that general vicinity, give or take 15 to 20 cents. Next up, we want to take a look at Cracker Barrel. CBRL is the ticker symbol here. Looks like this is making a new all-time high or close to it. Stock right now trading at $164, closed at $161.41. Again, we'll give it the upside bias to around 165, 166. That's where I think you run into some daily chart resistance. So that's what we have there for stocks in the news this morning. As for gold futures trading down 30 cents. They've been on a run. Right now they're trading at $1,261 an ounce. Crude oil is flat today, trading at $51.12 a barrel. So we'll leave it there. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a sensational 2017. Volatility picking up recently, getting some spikes, gives us more opportunities. And again, this is going to be another week where we have lots and lots of news coming out. Tomorrow you're going to have the, I believe, the Fed minutes. Also, we have lots of economic data and lots of stocks still to report earnings. So with that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.